decomposition property. The decomposition property or dividendo property states that if two ratios are equal, you can subtract the denominator from the numerator in both ratios, and the resulting ratios will still be equal. If A is greater than B, A minus B is to B as C minus D is to C. A minus B is to A as C minus D is to D. Here we have 5 is to 3 as 10 is to 6. We subtracted the denominator, the consequent, from the numerator, the antecedent. 5 minus 3 is to 3 as 10 minus 6 is to 6. What we got is the proportion we originally started with in the composition property. So 2 is to 3 as 4 is to 6. And here I just rewritten it as a fraction.